Dear alumni, faculty and management, past and present, and all the esteemed guests present. Jai Hind and a very good morning to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this momentous day of Silver Jubilee of Indus Business School, part of IIEBM Trust. 25th January 25 is once in a lifetime event on Earth, as all the 7 planets would be perfectly in alignment today. This phenomena is called the Planet Parade. It appears that the God has willed that on this historical day, we also harmoniously align with the alma mater. I am suddenly feeling, after meeting you all, 25 years younger. Though few days back, I was 60 years younger because I had my class get together. We are 1962 batch pass outs, and one of my class fellows is sitting in front of me. So I can well appreciate your enthusiasm, your thrill on reliving the carefree, happy days of learning and fun and frolic. So, at this momentous occasion, I am very filled with emotions, because when we started this institution, it was from a hired small place. Gradually, we moved to Indra Institute on 2 hired classrooms with lot of restrictions, and soon we were thrown out of Indra because they found our students were a cut above them, though we were a fledgling institution. After that, we moved to the Pride Silicon Plaza along with the Maratha Thali joints, where Mandar and party enjoyed often. And finally, in 2005, we moved into this campus so that we should have a stable place and not be perceived as a fly-by-night organization. The journey has been very challenging. We had audacious aims. We had different culture. We wanted to make an institution with its own originality. That is why, as against all business schools who follow the blue blazer, grey trouser, good mornings, good evenings, and all these things, we said no, we'll set our own trademark. The salutation of Jai Hind, reflecting a sense of nationalism. Green blazer, reflecting prosperity and the army discipline. And though journey was challenging, tough, setbacks, but we kept at it, because in army they say never say die. And we kept at it, and also we said we will not compromise on the quality of education. Lot of faculty and ex-deans are sitting here who have upheld that high quality of education, and I am thankful to them and the faculty. I see a lot of old faculties in the gathering, so I thank them once again for giving the students the right guidance. Little bit of philosophy. I have always been guided by the wordings of Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj, who said, "Deh shivavar mohe, शुभ कर्मन से कभू न डरूं, न डरूं अरसों जब जाए लड़ूं, निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करूं." This has become the cornerstone of IIEBM culture. Our students never say die. They know that once you decide, the victory is sure, may not be immediate, but it will be there. Major changes came about in the college between 2010 and 20, when first we got the AICTE accreditation which paved the way for a serious, committed institute. But I will be failing my duty if I don't mention that we started with only a very small batch of 30 students, yet they embodied something far more significant, a foundation for the legacy we aspire to build. Each student who passed out through the portals of IIEBM was a foundation for the legacy we aspire to build. And each student carried the IIBM values and became a torch bearer for the IIBM. We have come a long way from a very humble beginning, and now the most rewarding thing, we have very strong partnership bonds with big companies like Deloitte, Colgate-Palmolive, Accenture, Coca-Cola, Nestle, Britannia, IBM, or what have you. And all these companies have reposed their total faith in the quality of our students, that is you all. And they come year on year to recruit the students from this institute. We have also strategic partnership with SAP, Harvard Business School, KPMG, IBM, CRISIL to give our students a special advantage and impetus for learning as well as for placements. It gives me great pleasure to inform that as an extension of IIBM's culture and our value system, we established Colonel Vinod Marwaha Foundation, which does a lot of charity work by helping the ex-servicemen, students from underprivileged background, and also create awareness about environment, gender sensitivity, sustainability, Swachh Bharat, etc. And here we involve the students in all these activities. And I see that our students actively take part in doing these things hands-on, on ground. And army hospitals come for blood donation, and they also have commented the degree of enthusiasm and commitment our students reflect in donating blood for a social cause. Dear alumni, you all have been a very significant part of this incredible journey, a journey that continues to inspire us and the students who follow you. Just as we taught you to push beyond limits in the classroom, you have gone on to shape corporate world with the same resilience, determination and vision that we instilled in you. Every obstacle, of course, road has not been very smooth, lot of obstacles, but every obstacle gave us the energy to surmount it. Jay sir has already mentioned that our students are working in 6 continents across the globe and have been funded by Shark Tank and other organizations, and some of them are very successful business people. As we celebrate 25 years of college, let me tell you, we have acquired some land for the new campus, and our aim is to now have a IIEBM University by 2030. We are committed to evolve with times. We are introducing new programs, new subjects, so that our students are corporate battlefield ready. Subjects like data analytics, artificial intelligence, sustainability, which is the keyword in today's environment. Let me remind you, Silver Jubilee is not just a celebration of what we have achieved in the past. We have to look to what we can do in future, and a bright future has endless possibilities. Together, we will continue to nurture next generation leaders, innovators, change makers, and build a legacy that will last for generations. Before I close, I often repeat, I saw a TV interview of the famous Kapil Dev. Someone in the audience asked Kapil Dev to tell some interesting story. Kapil Dev's response was, हम कहानी सुनाते नहीं, हम कहानी बनाते हैं. So अभी dear friends, कहानी अभी बाकी है. You have to create record, you have to shine, and you have to rise and do well. I am sure you will bring a lot of laurels to IIBM, and I once again thank you all for being part of this incredible journey, and also to all the esteemed guests for sparing their valuable time and coming to encourage us and support us. Thank you. Jai Hind.